This 2026 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 350 Pack 15 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 45 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, water heater, refrigerator, awning, microwave, TV, and 96 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 350 Pack 15 is 12,263 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.